sea buds? Hey, Evan and Noah, where are we? I'm taking video. Where are we? What? Where are we?
I don't know.
You don't know where we are? Noah, where are we? Are we in San Antonio? Yeah. And we're at the Alamo Dome. We just picked up my packet. What up?
Texas, San Antonio.
Yeah, San Antonio, Texas.
Noah, do you like mustard on your hot dog?
No. Evan like mustard.
Does Evan like mustard? Who likes hot dogs?
Me.
Who else?
Daddy.
Yeah. Does
Not
Evan?
me and you.
No.
Ev, show everybody what's in your hot dog bun.
A carrot.
Let's see. Can I see? Yeah.
I don't like it. Nah, let's do that.
Close. Are you looking at the water? Here comes a boat. You want to wave? Wave to the mouth. Noah, show me hook 'em horns. Good, Noah. Can you show me 2? Yeah. Can you do 4?
That's 4.
That's 5. Ev, do you like your ice cream? What kind did you get? Yeah, is it cold out here?